Hello, here we go again. This is Paolo from the Good Wine Project from Thailand, Bangkok. Today we are here with Roberta Gorgo from the Gorgo winemaker. And today we are talking about something very, very special. Famous around the world, not so famous from Italy, but probably the best rosé wine from Italy. We're talking about the Bardolino Chiaretto. Incredibly different from the French, incredibly different from any other rosé around Italy. But that's, I let Roberta to explain.
Yes, please. It's different, of course, because we use local grapes from Verona area. I tell you the strange name for you, but which are the most important grape from Verona, Corvina and Rondinella grape. As well as we play with our land, so salinity, mineral, long and fresh, final aftertaste.
Your land, your winery, and on the background, your house.
Yeah, correct. This is our place, and this is the way we enjoy the hospitality side of the winery. And this is the Italian approach, Italian way.
Tell me about the characteristic of this rosé. Talk about the sugar, talk about the sulfitis, something very sensitive on the consumer.
Sure. First of all, if you smell, you can enjoy small red fruits and a hint of pink grapefruit. In the other side, you enjoy a very fresh, a very tasty, but a little salty, a little salinity, never sweetness. Mm-hmm. And this is a rosé to be enjoyed as a pretty
A little
wine.
bit of peach,
correct.
A lot of herbs. It's very fresh.
Yeah, a little Mediterranean rosé,
Mediterranean style,
as we say, because the Garda Lake influence enriched the wine, and the bouquet is very pleasant and round. And the point of rosé, what we say, is the result of a very short contact with the skin. Just for a few hours, but it's enough to provide all the elements into the wine. And this is a special rosé. Is the rosé for the pool, is the rosé for in Italy, even with the mozzarella, even with the pizza sometimes, is the rosé for fun, but also for a high profile of dishes.
Okay,
Please.
Thank you so much, Roberta. No more talking. Time to drinking. Thank you so much for having me.
Appreciate it.
Sawadee Krap.